Hello, I'm Kristof and I'll be your trainer for today. Do you ever feel that reading lessons can sometimes be passive or that students read a text but they don't really deeply engage with it? Then this workshop is for you. My reading games and activities workshop is an 8 hours practical hands-on session where we explore creative ways to making reading more interactive, meaningful and enjoyable. We'll look at how reading connects naturally with vocabulary, pronunciation, listening, speaking, writing, and how to design activities that bring text to life. You'll work with ideas for reading aloud, supporting pronunciation, and choosing and using upgraded and graded readers, as well as what to focus on before, during, and after the reading, so the students stay engaged at every stage of the lesson. As with all my workshops, it's not about theory or long lectures, it's about doing. You'll experience the activities from the student's point of view. You'll reflect on them as a teacher and share ideas with other teachers. We'll also explore how we can use AI at supporting reading lessons, from text selection and adaptation to follow-up tasks and personalized practice. By the end of this session, you'll leave with practical reading activities and ideas that you can immediately use in your classroom. It doesn't really matter if you're teaching teens or children or adults, online or face-to-face. So I'm really looking forward to working with you on Fridays. So see you soon.